Aurora Borealis. The Aurora Borealis, also known as the Northern Lights, is a natural phenomenon that is typically visible in the northern polar regions. It is a beautiful display of lights that can be seen in the night sky, often appearing as green, yellow, or red curtains of light that dance and shimmer across the sky. The Aurora Borealis occurs when charged particles from the sun, known as solar wind, enter the Earth's atmosphere and collide with atoms and molecules of gases such as oxygen and nitrogen. This collision causes the gases to emit light, creating the colorful displays that make up the Aurora Borealis. The Aurora Borealis can be seen most often in the polar regions, especially in areas near the Arctic and Antarctic circles. In these regions, the Earth's magnetic field is particularly strong, which helps to funnel the solar particles towards the poles and increases the chances of seeing the phenomenon's beautiful lights. In addition to its beauty, the Aurora Borealis also has scientific significance. Studying the Aurora Borealis can help scientists learn more about the Earth's magnetic field and the effects of solar activity on our planet. Despite its beauty and scientific significance, the Aurora Borealis is not without its dangers. The Aurora Borealis can interfere with satellite and communication systems, disrupting important technologies that we rely on in our daily lives. Overall, the Aurora Borealis is a stunning natural phenomenon that captivates onlookers with colorful displays and holds significance for its beauty and scientific value. While it can be a dangerous force, it is also a reminder of the incredible power of nature.